Let me show you a project in Sharjah, which can be compared to amazing townhouses and villas in Dubai.
Compared to Dubai townhouses, the prices here much lower, the sizes here much bigger.
Fully gated community, perfect value for money, spacious townhouses and villas. Ready-made and also off-plan available. So I actually live in Dubai, and from my house, it took us around 35 to 38 minutes to reach Masaar, which is in the border in Sharjah between Dubai and Sharjah. Hello everyone. All the villas you can see here are near the Worka Mall, and these are worth almost double or triple the cost of the villas and townhouses in Masaar. So, which is literally 15 minutes away from here. It is in the border of Dubai and Sharjah, but it makes a big difference in price. Also, these standalone villas are mostly owned by local Emiratis, and they actually get the land and help from the government for it, and then they just have to build the villas on their own. So there's no like community as such in the area. There's no facilities. It's kind of just build your own big mansion, and that's about it. So in Masaar 1, there's over 50,000 trees. It's a whole community. The villas have a lot of privacy because the villas are behind this. So it's lovely. Welcome to Masaar by Arada.
Arada, you can consider, is the Emir of Sharjah. So your money is secure. It's partially owned by the sheikh himself, by the king himself, by the royal family. So you have that safety and security. They're good developers. Their quality has been proven in many other projects, including this one. So it's a fantastic community to live in, very family oriented, very peaceful, great amenities. Masaar 2 off-plan got sold out. Masaar 1, you can also get freehold properties. Not all of Masaar 1 is leasehold, so you can completely own it as well. And yeah, come along, let's check out these townhouses.
Something like that.
Yeah, but this is technically back to back, but you can see it's not.
No, not really.
back to
Not
back.
really,
It's
because
not like
there is
it's
some
connected.
space to walk.
Exactly.
Walk-in closet. Walk-in closet. Master bedroom right here. And these people recently moved in 3 months ago, and now they shifted to a twin villa right opposite. So that's why they have this wonderful interior and everything as well. How nice is that? And they're selling all of that along with it. The asking price is 2.5 million dirhams. Mahogany. Got this normal room. So this exact unit is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen townhouse plus maid's room. It's around 2,500 square feet. That is actually the Netflix area right there. And it's ideal for buyers who don't want to go in the off-plan properties of Masaar. They would rather pay and move in today. Then you can buy these properties which are on resale in Masaar 1. So this townhouse is considered a back-to-back townhouse, but it's not really a back-to-back townhouse because there's actually a walking area in between. Also, another thing, compared to Dubai townhouses, the prices here much lower, the sizes here much bigger, and you actually feel a sense of calm and luxury in the community as well. You can see there's over 50,000 trees in the entire community, and this particular townhouse is very close to the amenities. You have a very nice sense of peace, well-being. Actually 5 degrees less over here just because of the trees around the community. It is much cooler, which is a blessing in this desert and all the heat that you're continuously faced with. It feels so nice. How did you find this townhouse?
It's good.
Yeah, we're gonna check out a few others.
Yeah, few more, but there is a common bathroom for 2 bedrooms. That's
Right, it's a 3-bedroom. Only the master bedroom has a ensuite. The other 2 have a sharing washroom. But good size.
Yeah, but for the living room guests, they have the powder room.
They have a powder room downstairs, yeah.
That one is great.
And the maid's room has its
And it's very spacious and backyard is good.
Yeah,
I like the community itself is so good.
community is so good.
You take
yeah.
anything is good only here.
Yeah.
But of course, if you are taking, then take the best one.
True. So these are the villas. So you can see the twin villas actually. So you can see the parking. You can actually shut it down like that. As you can see, it is a gated community. The security is quite tight. So if you're looking for privacy and security, you will definitely find that. Now we're inside the Kaya community. Same concept, lots of greenery, lots of trees. We're gonna check out a few townhouses over here. We're just waiting for the agent to come and show it to us right now. So basically there are phases inside the community, like sub-communities in the community. The previous one was in Rubinia. This is in Kaya. And we're actually gonna check out a 2 BHK townhouse in this one with ensuite washrooms. No, just kitchen, slightly smaller kitchen. Appliances come. They'll just put the washing powder with the bathroom. You can use it as a maid's room or whatever you want to put it as. So this is like a tinier Netflix and chill area. This is basically a 2-bedroom hall kitchen townhouse. They also have a lovely backyard. It is spacious overall when it comes to their bedrooms or even the ensuite bathrooms. All the bathrooms are attached with the bedrooms, which is just fantastic. My only concern would be the living room, which I found a little small. What did you think of the 2-bedroom?
It's good.
Okay.
As per the budget, it's less than 2 million.
Yeah, they're asking for like 1.95.
Yeah.
Maybe they give it 1.9.
Yeah.
Maybe less.
So in Masaar 3, 2 BHK is in off plan 1.9. This is already ready to move in 1.9.
1.9, yeah.
So of course this is
better
than
True.
waiting that much. And
True.
that time when handover will come, of course that price will be more
True. Yeah.
for 2 BHK. So this is good as if now, but I feel a hall was little bit smaller.
I agree with you. My issue with the 2-bedroom townhouse, although I will say one thing, the 2-bedroom townhouse had ensuite bathrooms and a tub in one of the bathrooms, which is better than the 3 BHK townhouse we saw because it didn't have that. But the problem is the hall was very small. The hall is genuinely very small for us. If you're used to living in a tiny flat, I guess you could compromise on that. But for us, we wanted a little bit of space between your sofas and your dining table. There should be some, walking space. It didn't have that. Everything else, the bedroom size is big. Backyard, big. Everything else was fine. Maid's room, everything is fine. Just the hall didn't do it for us. And the Vastu direction was also not right.
They don't have the laundry room separately as well.
No, you have to use the maid's washroom for it. Another thing I will say, the agent that we talked to on the phone, we waited for him for 1 hour with this other agent. That man didn't show up. He's like, I'm stuck in traffic. Guys, when your client is walking to your doorstep, you do not show up late because it will happen. What happened with us? We'll go. We'll go. And it's very hard to get a client to come back all the way here and view your unit. So when they're there, you should be waiting for them and welcoming them, because if you don't, someone else will. Simple as that, So
Exactly.
just a tip for agents out there. Yeah. But the guy that did show us the townhouses was great. I'll put his contact details in the description if you want to check him out. Just say you're from Sonia, India, and yeah. Thank you.
That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.